Hi everyone, today we're going to read the book Baby Animals. Baby Animals, and remember that is the title of the book. Okay, we're starting with a capital letter. This is a kitten. You take a little breath because there's a full stop. This is a puppy. This is a chick. I wonder where it's come from. Have a look at the picture. This is a cub. This is a calf. Full stop. This is a kid. This is a lamb. This is a vowel. That is the end of the story. I want you to do your guided reading, sound out as best you can. Make sure you put your fingers to the words. Good luck.